welcome to Something's Cooking with Alpa, and today we are going to make potato pancakes. Now these potato pancakes you can even eat when you're fasting and they will keep you full throughout the day. So now let's begin our process. So guys, for this recipe you're going to need 3 medium-sized potatoes which I've kept it in water so they don't change the color. Half cup of roasted peanut powder which is bhune hue singdane ka bhukka. Half cup of Rajigra flour which is also called as amaranth, which is extremely healthy. It contains twice the calcium that you can find it in milk, so it's very healthy. 2 tablespoons of ginger chili paste which is adrak mirchi ka paste, and 1/8 cup of cilantro which is fresh dhania. 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of salt or as per your taste, and 1/4 teaspoon of lime juice. And you're also going to need a little bit of oil, and that is about it. So now let's proceed. So guys, I've taken a grater with the big holes, and now let's start grating our peeled potato. And guys, if you do like my recipe, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon to be first to watch my future videos. And it's free, so why wait? And now let's proceed. Once all of the potato are grated, let's remove it in a big bowl, followed by the peanut powder, then the Rajigra flour which is amaranth flour, the cilantro which is dhania, then the ginger chili paste, followed by the sugar, some salt and lime juice. And now let's mix everything in. So guys, now everything is nicely mixed in. So now let's keep this mixture aside and add a little bit of oil. Make sure all of the surface of this pan is nicely coated with the oil. And once it's hot, add a bowl full of this mixture and then press it down. I'm just dipping my fingers in a little bit of water so this mixture doesn't stick to my fingers while I'm pressing it. And once it's nicely pressed, let's use a spatula and give it a nice shape. And now guys, let's just cover this up and cook it for the next 5 to 6 minutes on a medium flame. So guys, after 5 minutes, let's remove the lid and it's time for us to flip our pancake. So before that, I'm going to just apply a little bit of oil on top here like this, and then we are going to gently flip it. Beautiful. And now let's cook it for the next 5 minutes as well. So guys, after another 5 minutes, let's remove our pancake in a plate. Ooh, look at that. Looking absolutely delicious. Our potato pancake is looking absolutely delicious, and guys, you can have this pancake even when you are fasting and it will keep you full throughout the day. I personally prefer to have it with some yogurt or curd. So do let me know what you prefer to have this pancake with. And it's turned out nice and golden brown, nice and crispy from the outside, and it'll be nice and soft from the inside. So guys, I absolutely cannot resist it, so I am digging in. Very delicious. It's like a treat. It's absolutely like a treat. Make it. You can even give it as a lunchbox recipe to your kids. Have it during your fast. I'm telling you guys, it's really awesome. Do let me know what you think about it, and if you do like this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you like this recipe, you're definitely going to like this one as well as this one. So do click on these links, and I will see you very soon. bye.